Hello friends, myself Pooja Bhand. I have completed BCS Computer Science from SP College Pune. Today's date is 26 Feb 2022. Today's topic is Freedom Fighters of India. Around 25 years ago, on the historic date of 15th August 1947, India became freedom from British domination. It was the numerous moments and struggle that were life throughout the time of British rule, including the historic revolt of 1857. This independence achieved through the efforts of many revolutions. Freedom fighters who took the lead in organizing the struggle, which lead in organization the struggle, which lead the Indians' independence. There is no one in India who is reserved as much as Mahatma Gandhi. Some call him Mahatma, great soul, and to some he is known as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was leader who, in the form of shackles of British, that was inflicted on the Indian masses for over 200 years. Mahatma Gandhi is known for his non-violent, highly intellectual, and around from it alleges the structure of Gandhi in the Indian society. In the Indian society is unmatched at the regarded as the father of nation for his painstaking efforts at leading the freedom struggle of India. Mahatma Gandhi born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. Mahatma Gandhi's real name was Mohanchandra Karamchand Gandhi. Right from an early age, Gandhi was neither brilliant in class nor any better in playing ground. In the education of Mahatma Gandhi has played a significant role in making him one of the greatest people in the world. He attended a primary school at the Porbandar, where he won prizes and scholarship. But his approach at studies was an ordinary one. In 1887, Gandhi passed his matriculation exam at University of Bombay, and he joined Somaldas College in the Bhangar. Gandhiji wanted to become a doctor, but his father insisted that he become a barrister. At the time, English was the knowledge. So he had to leave Somaldas College, where he was not too happy. Where he was not too happy for future of his father's dream. Finally, in 1888, he suited to the hands of Inner Temple, one of the for London Law College. He also took the matriculation exam in 1890 at University of London. During this time, London, he took his studies seriously and joined a public speaking practice group. From another significant instance in London included his missionary work for Venerable Gandhiji became a member of executive committee in London Vegetarian Society. After returning to India from England, from a brief period of time, Gandhiji hosted to South Africa to the lawyer of abolition. A successful shipping in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi has realized that Mahatma Gandhi has realized that education is most powerful tool that can reshape society, and Indian society needed it much. Gandhi ideas in education was mainly focused on the character building, moral value, ethics, free learning. He wanted education to become inclusive and lead to overall development of the student. Gandhiji's father, Karamchand Gandhi, served as an in Parbandar, control his father, and lesser known figure was Julius Roman. Thank you.